to.
Oh, guys, please takot ako. I can hear things, bro. What in the world was that?
Bro,
I don't know, bro.
si JC Schizophrenic. Balik. Balik. Balik.
What is up, guys? I have no idea why did I just do that. Ginagaya ko talaga that one emo hand post in every single emo music video. It's been too long, guys. It's been a week now. Here I am. Again, I'm back again on YouTube. And I know you guys missed me for a while. This video is just me playing Roblox with my friends, the hoes. So, meron na kaming channel ng mga yan. And
I'm a one.
yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead on this Roblox video. So if you want to see more and other videos like this, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more video.
What is up? Kakatapos ko lang makipaglaro kanina kay Fate. Tapos ngayon nandito na naman tayo. Guys, upo tayo dito para apat. Dali. Let's go. Ba't yung mukha ni Adrian, what they're staring into my soul?
I'm gonna become emo for you.
Bro, you're not emo. You're really staring into my soul. Nakuha kayo food, tapos bibigay ko sa customer.
I'll give you big chicken.
Tingnan nyo yung screen ko, nakasulat. May nakasulat yung sa screen. Huwag ka may hawak na chicken, bro. Oh, don't hold my chicken like that, bro. Don't hold my chicken.
Because the
You want chicken?
killer's black. I'm a
Bro, I need that donut. May hole yan. I need a donut for eat to eat. Food number 1, guys. Si Anika ba yun?
Where?
Tingnan nyo lang yung screen. Ayan.
That's gay. It sounds gay, bro.
Catch the rat in the bathroom.
Guys, saan kayo? Guys, where did you go?
Bro, dito,
Guys.
JC. My God. Sino yun?
It's my pen.
What the heck?
Here you go.
What the heck, bro? A
Who
dead?
ordered that?
Pick up
Give
rat.
you the dead rat.
Bro, why are you so good at this? Ang galing na Adrian.
Roblox.
Take the trash outside the dumper. Yo, si Adrian pumunta mag-isa without us, to be honest. And there's a killer on the loose.
There was a big black man out there.
I told you, bro.
Lighter?
You go outside by yourself. Hindi mo kami sinama.
Can I have a food, everyone?
That's a donut. That's a donut. That was a donut.
Day 2.
No.
Take customer order again.
Or
We get a food, number 2. Why do people ordering Sunday? Bro, sounds zesty. Bro, sounds zesty.
Sup, Nick?
stop.
What?
Y'all didn't give the food for you?
Mop the spills in the bathroom. Punta daw sa bathroom.
I already did it for y'all. Already for y'all.
Why? Ba't di nyo nakikita?
Guys, I can't open the door. Veronica, open the door, please. Never lock them doors and turn the lights down. Okay. Bro, that
Who
was
the fuck sells burger and donuts at the same place?
No, don't go outside. Don't go outside.
No.
Don't go outside, guys. Please, I swear, don't go outside. May experience na ako dyan. Wag yan. Bumalik kayo. Go back. Adrian, go back. If you didn't run back here, you will die. For real. Food number.
Food number 3. Haha, naunahan ko kayo. Baka sa inyo dyan.
Saka
Skill
nakasay sa
issues, skill
tayo.
issues.
Bro, what the heck?
Maximum security prison is still on the loose. If you have any information, contact the police.
Please.
We're at day 3 number. We're at day 3, guys. Kill the spiders in the freezer.
Their man did this.
Kill the spiders in the freezer. There's spiders in the
Then
freezer.
kasi bigla on hair
Why
or
I
some
can't?
shit.
Why I can't kill the spiders?
Give the spiders to Hannah. She'll eat them.
Uy, what the heck? Wala si Hana dito, legit.
Wala.
Take the order
What's
ko.
that?
That's English. Oy, sino yun?
I told you to go home. What the heck is this? Yo,
Yo, wait, yo. Parang yung CR ng girls. Gusto yung CR ng girls. Why?
guys, picture. Yung picture.
Guys, let me in. Guys, let me in.
Wait,
What does this black man want?
4.
Black man, that's racist.
Okay, guys, stand the back.
Adrian, you can do this. I know you can do this. Guys, magtago kayo sa freezer. Legit, Adrian's gonna handle this. We need to stay back in the freezer.
Go.
Adrian, sa'yo nakasalala yung buhay namin. Ako yung entertainment natin, guys.
But what I do is...
Entertainment. Uy, Anika, bumalik ka dito.
Please, don't touch me.
Wait, open the door.
Bro, bumalik ka dito. You're gonna die, guys. You're gonna die.
Dance with me.
Oh, wait. Did you kill it, bro?
No, I missed.
Then why?
Burger.
Bro, kitang-kita ka. Try to jump, bro. Can you jump? Try to jump. Jump. Talong ka, dali.
You got it back, or?
I got to go cook food. Bye-bye.
Umuwi na si Adrian. Dito na tayo ng 3 na lang, guys.
Sweet home.
Upo na tayo, guys. Upo na tayo.
Church, we're in church.
Yeah. Umupo kayo dito. Dali mag-start. 42 seconds. We can't survive without Adrian, to be honest. What the heck? Flashlight. Yep, there's a flashlight. Ba't mga kalbo kayo?
Because I'm Jeffrey Bezos.
Jeffrey Bezos, pick up the trash in the
Okay,
building.
guys, we need to kneel down. Guys, we need to kneel down.
Yung mga trash kunin. Lahat kayo, umupo kayo doon.
Ano yun? Si John.
Lahat kayo
John
umupo. No.
3:16. For God so loved the world.
Gonna preach the gospel.
Believe in him shall have everlasting.
Okay, so our objective right now is pick up the trash in the building, but no one's picking up the trash for real.
Let's destroy.
Saan yung phone? Ay, si Arto. Saan yung phone? Yun
What
tayo.
phone? Hello.
Prank callers at
It's
this
phone
hour.
man. It's phone man.
Phone guy.
Pwede siya, ano?
Current objective natin is dig a shovel from a shed. Shovel. Okay, we're going outside. We need to stick together.
Imagine say shovel.
Pupunta tayo
Shovel pa nga.
dito.
Oh, guys, please takot ako.
Guys, sumama kayo sa akin. Yung eerie sounds, bro.
Shovel.
Bro, yung eerie sounds. Huh. Oh, dito tayo
Bro,
mag-
shovel muna.
Dito.
Guys, bury me.
What in the world was that?
Shovel.
Ano yung, wala naman ako nakita, to be honest.
Ang sim.
Yun, shovel.
But I can hear things. I can hear things, bro. What in the world was that?
Bro's
I don't know, bro.
si JC's schizophrenic. Bro's hearing things that I've not even hear.
I
Nakakarinig
guess
ng
mamaya
hindi.
na ako.
Nakakarinig ng hindi ko
Mamaya na.
naririnig.
Mamaya na ako, guys. Mamaya na ako. Bye, guys.
Iniwan tayo ni JC. Iniwan tayo ni JC. Par, flashotan mo ako. Par, wala akong makita legit. Par, wala talaga akong makita. Bro, nasaan nakatutok yung flashlight mo?
Ayun, ito.
Bro, may bug yung game. Legit. Par, flashlight. I cannot see a damn thing. Actually, 3. Yup, it's 3 of them. We need to dig 3 of them. Okay, get the map and clean the bathroom. Bro, napaka-random ng mga objective. Kaming dalawa na lang ni Anika. Par, dito ka.
Guys.
Where's the goddamn map?
Ito,
What the hell, bro? Napakasipag natin.
okay.
Uy, ba't ako napunta sa bubong?
Ano yun?
Oh. What the hell was that, bro? What the heck was that? What is that? Where am I?
Oh, ano nakita ko?
Okay, current objective, place flowers at the marked location.
Okay. Sana madapa ka.
Dito.
Ay,
Place flowers. Answer the phone ulit,
answer the phone. Cupid, my name is...
Bro. Nasaan na sila? Ano ba naman yan? What could that mean?
I don't have much time. Whatever you do, don't go with them. They're not who you
What the heck?
Huh? What?
Nawalan ng kuryente? Hell no, bro. Nawalan ng
May
kuryente.
mga apple ba tayo?
Ewan ko, maybe. There we go.
To be honest,
What the hell was that noise, bro?
What?
Investigate the strange sound.
Ang bagal kong maglakad.
Balik! Balik! Balik!
Yung alien, hinahabol ako. Ang bagal ko lang talaga
To replace flashlight batteries. Hey yo! What the heck was that? Agents, leave Agent Adams or stay. Okay. Saan yun? Doon tayo pupunta sa may mark. Yung may tao. What the hell?
So go with... Continue the story.
Bar!
Tara, continue.
Wag, napindot ko yung yung go with him.
Wait, ano ba yan? Alis ka dito?
Oh, meron pa kasing isang story ata to eh. Oh.
Oh, sige, pinito.
What the fuck? Ano? Ano to man in black?
Ba't demonyo ka ba?
Par, antayin kita dito sa sa kung saan man lugar ako. Napunta ako sa ibang lugar eh. Anika, nandito ka ba? Hello? Anika? Huwag mo sabihin Anika? Hello? Anika!